Hello everyone, Big Game Out here, back again with another video. Yes, today I've been over to Cardiff, the Cardiff gaming market. Picked up a few bits, met a few tubers, all that good stuff. Yeah, it wasn't the best place. It was in some arena. I'm not gonna embarrass myself and try and say the name of it, but you all know where it was. If not, Google it. Began with a U. So yeah, it wasn't the biggest of venues. I thought it was going to be quite big, but they had Comic-Con on at the same day, Cardiff Comic-Con, so they've divided the hall in half. So there was only 3 rows. Well, there was row 4, 3 or 4 rows. Weren't many. Wasn't big. Wasn't big at all. I believe there was 4 rows in total. 2 rows you could walk down. But yeah, it was all right. Managed to pick up some bits. It was really busy in there. When I first got in there, it was around about 11:15. And my God, couldn't even move. But who did we meet? Yes, as always, Rich King Retro was there, stalling out. Nice and local for him. More local than any other ones anyway. And the normal crowd, you had Tootie UK. He was there with Darren and Rob. Yep, Rob was there as well. They was all there together. They had like a little L-shaped bit. They had Stu and Darren on one bit, and then they had Fob behind them. And I see Nick, Vintage Gamer. Vintage Gamer was actually stalling out. It was good to see Nick. He doesn't really do many events. He does the Birmingham gaming market, but other than that, you don't really see him too much. So good to see him out of his local area. I did buy some bits off him along with the other tubers. But yeah, the one tuber who wasn't stalling out, who I bumped into, was Craig. Goodwin's place. He was there, and yeah, it was a fun day. Was in there a few hours. We went out and let it die down a bit and then come back. But I did actually get a couple of minutes of footage in it. So let's cut to that footage now and just show you a little bit of the venue. It's not like my usual walk around what I normally do. I've just done a few bits to show you different stuff they were selling there, because it wasn't just all video games this time. They had some other merchandise there, gaming related stuff. So yeah, let's cut to that video now and show you it. So hopefully you enjoyed that footage. Like I said, it wasn't very much, but you'll see an overview of it and see what the venue looked like and what was there. So yeah, as I said, when I met up with Craig, we decided to go out into the town and let it die down a bit for about an hour odd. And I went over to CX. I picked up one game, so I thought I'd chuck it in here. just because it was part of the Cardiff gaming market video. So yeah, I picked up Lunar Landing Beyond for the Switch. It was £10, paid for it with my voucher. It's like a shmup. There's loads of like different games on it from what I was looking at online. I don't know if it's the same game with loads of different style of levels. But yeah, there you go. Got a nice little picture of some that's supposed to be Pegasus or something. But yeah, I'm not sure if it was like same game. What's it on here? 30 missions and 4 difficulty levels. So yeah, maybe it is the same game with just different style levels on it. So yeah, let me know if you played that one. That's Lunar Lander Beyond. Right, now what did I pick up from the market? So the first thing I picked up was from the legendary 2T UK. And it's another 360 game. It's just another one of my steelbooks. So yeah, nice little steelbook. We have got Medal of Honor Warfighter Limited Edition. So, oh, lost the disc. Has got both discs in there. And all the little leaflets and stuff. It's an EA game, so it's got an EA manual in it. Some codes in the back there. I'm not going to show you them. But yeah, it has got the 2 discs. Even though one doesn't really fit in here very well and it keeps flying out. But yeah, I just thought that was nice, really nice condition as well. Medal of Honor Warfighter. I won't tell you how much that was. He done that for a bargain price. I tried to give him the money what was on the sticker price, but he chucked some money back at me. Right, then I bought some games off of Darren. So, as you know, I like my PlayStation 2 racing games. So I've managed to pick up 4 of him. Again, I won't tell you the price because he's done me a really good deal on these. First up, we got Monster Truck Extreme Arena Edition. These are all complete. He did have another game there I wanted, but it didn't have a manual. It's the only one out of the whole lot that didn't have a manual. So I left that one behind. We got the Flintstones Bedrock Racer. This one looks quite fun. It's by Blast, so it's not going to be a good game, but still I enjoy these sort of ones. All complete, nice crispy manual. Next up, happy to add this one. We have got London Taxi Rush Hour. This one looks absolutely hilarious. So I don't know if it's supposed to be a little bit like Crazy Taxi, but based in London. Yeah. Really happy to add that one. Looks fun, looks fun. It's London, it's rush hour, and you're a cabbie on a mission. There you go. Good to see the old black cabs on the front rather than the American yellow taxis. And the last one is RPM Tuning, which is just like some track racing game. Well, street racing, should I say, rather than track racing. Yeah, just 4 more racing games. For if Retro Red Steve ever decides to move up from PS1 to PS2 races, we've got some games that you might want to play. Alright, then let's go with this next. So as I said, Nick was there, Vintage Gamer. So recently I've been picking up the Sonic Teddies. I already had Sonic and I already had Dr. Robotnik. So I picked up towels while I was over in Vegas. And today at the market I found Shadow. Yes, good old Shadow. He had it up for £12. I don't know if that was too much or not. I said to him, will you take a tenner? He said, yeah. But I just wanted it just to sit with the other Sonic Teddies I got. I just need to find Knuckles now. If anyone knows where Knuckles is, probably Amy as well at some point. But yeah, just happy to add Shadow. Don't see him around very much. Right, then Console Passion was there. They were the ones who always do the events. They're not very good at negotiating prices. So I tried to knock this down as it was a little bit pricey. And they said, no, you've got to stick to the sticker price. If you buy 1 or 2 games, you'll get it cheaper. But this is the only one I wanted. It is for the Xbox 360 again. It's a Japanese shmup. And it is Death Smiles 2. So yeah, I don't know if this is one of the Region 3 games or whether I've got to wait until I get the Japanese Xbox to play it. But yeah, it's all there. It's got some other little card thing there, number 3, whatever that is. But yeah, it's in nice condition. And yeah, they wanted £34 for it, so I was trying to get it for 30, which is around about roughly what it goes for on eBay, but I thought, why it's there and it's in good condition, I'll grab it. It's only £4 more, and as you can see, it's an only on Xbox title as well. So yeah, £34, most I spent at the gaming market today. And the last thing I got was a gift from good old Fob. So he does his big metal plaque things with all the designs on it. And today he bought these smaller ones, these little square ones, and I've never seen them before. And he said, oh, it's the first time I brought them, blah, blah. They were just sitting around. I thought I'd just come here and get rid of them. And I looked at one, I thought, oh, I quite like that. And he just went, oh, are you interested in any of them? I said, oh yeah, I wouldn't mind this one. He goes, just have it, take it. So, cheers for that, Rob. Well, I did stall out for a bit and make him some money while he shot outside for a bit. So, this was my payment. Cheers, Rob. We've got a nice little Pac-Man / Space Invaders like picture. Thought this would look quite nice in the games room. I'll find something to like maybe stick it to a wall or something. If it won't fit on the shelf, I have to check. I mean, they're quite, yeah, it's a bit taller than the shelf, so unless I have one for like limited edition things, I probably will just put this maybe on the side of a billy or to the wall. But either way, I quite like it, and I want to get some more artwork for the games room once it's finally done and ready, which hopefully shouldn't be too much longer now. So I will be looking for more of these sort of like art pieces. So yeah, let me know if you went to Cardiff Market today and if you enjoyed it. If you see me there, nobody comes and says hello to me anymore. But yeah, please do let me know if you liked the video, if you like the stuff I picked up, these games. I mean, that's the one I'm most looking forward to playing. Once I get my room set up and I get my fat PS3 set back up, I will be giving that a go. Just won't be any time soon. Just need to get it sorted. If I sit down and start playing games, the room won't get done. But yeah, that just leaves me to say thank you all for watching. Shadows is waving. Bye, Shadow. Yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.